How cool is that? How cool is that in the background?
The movie The Birds was filmed in 1963 at the schoolhouse on Bodega Lane.
Best Paranormal at your service. Today's adventure, sorry, fixing my hair. We are at a really cool filming location done by Alfred Hitchcock. Do you guys remember The Birds? So this is the school. Look at how cool this school is. So it says Potter School, established in 1873. This property is privately owned, so no trespassing, but we do want to take a look at it. It looks really cool. Let me get some footage. There's the stairs, the famous stairs, and this is the house. How cool is that? Now, if you see over there, there is the church. We're going to go over there right now. I'm here with Rachel. So, you will come with us to the church. Do you guys remember this is where they would run down here when the birds were coming?
Hitchcock does a number of cuts with the camera looking up at the schoolhouse as the kids are running toward.
Look at that cool house right over there. Do you see it? Ooh, right there. Look how cool that is. So we're going to go up here and look at this church. And oh, looks like they do live in this house, right? And so it is a private residence. We will not trespass. We're just over here filming. This location. So it says private, no, bathrooms open only during service. So if they were open, that would be really cool, but it's not. So here's the church. How cool is that? Is that? So we are in Bodega Bay. This is the famous church I'm at right here. There's Rachel. What does it say over there?
This thing says priest parking. Only during services.
So we are in Bodega Bay. This is the famous church I'm at right here.
Died November 24th, 1961. Ellen something, wife of John Orr. Oh, Ellen Orr, wife of John Orr, age 32 years, 2 months, and 9 days.
Oh wow. How cool is that? And then they got this like little area over here. How cool is this little area? This needs some water. This is the view. How cool is that church? Super cool.
Does someone live in that house?
Yeah, they do live in there, I guess. There's some cars behind there. I mean, how awesome is that to live in there, huh?
That's super awesome. I wonder what's at the very top.
Do you call that like a cupola?
A lookout?
Something I forget. All right, let's walk around this church. Okay.
Below.
Below. Okay, so I'm at the church, and it just said below on the ghost tube. Okay, so I'm gonna walk through. Rachel's that way, and I'm walking this way. You can see this house is pretty cool right there. This is like a really, really, really super cool location. You could see this church that's right behind me. Absolutely freaking cool. Sorry for the wind.
I'm trying.
Rachel says below, and I'm trying.
Wow. So I already went to the back side. Let me go to this side. See if they have anything fun over here on their services. Go. Walking up. Burn up some calories. Sari's down there. She's gonna do the little some pictures. You take off my mask. Watch your step.
All right, necrophonic app.
It's like blurry.
Hello?
Oh, that's better.
How many spirits are here with me right now? Did they say Rachel?
Did you say Rachel? Sari? Sari?
Yes. Okay, so want to ask the spirits, the nice ones, what was the movie's name that was filmed here? Thank you. Thank you so much for saying the birds.
But you?
Now, to the spirits that said that. Now, I know that you're smart and intelligent. Tell me who is the maker or producer?
Director.
Who is the director of the movie The Birds? Give me his first name. Come on, tell me his first name. Can you tell me where I'm at? What city is this?
Listening and what?
All right, we're going to give you one more minute to talk. Can you tell me, are you from here? Where are you from? Okay, that's it.
Okay, bye.
Okay, may you guys rest in peace, okay? Going to see. Okay, this is a yes or no question. Do you still have your shoes on? Sure do. Thank you so much for talking to us. Oh, you guys are great. Thank you. All right, let's see. Look at the Bodega Lane. Bodega Highway, Bodega Lane. Okay. Post office. Well, I don't want to stop here. No fire department. So we found a cemetery and we're going to go check it out. I don't know anything about the cemetery. I'll have to get some history on it. But for now, you guys could see down there, that's where the church is right there. What's it called? Calvary Cemetery. Established? Yeah, it's open right there. Established in 1869. Wow, look at this cemetery. All right, spirits. Hello, spirits. I'm here to talk to you. Colombo? All right, let's read some of these. Look, someone's got a crystal ball with liquid in it or something. Colombo. So 1927 to 2002. Look at how cool this cemetery is. To all the spirits here, we come as friends. We mean no harm. We just come to visit you and talk to you. If anybody's here, please come forward and talk to us. If you're talking to our camera, we will be able to hear you.
North.
North. We are north. No, do they want us to go up there? You want us to go up? Come on, we'll go this way.
Wandering.
Wandering.
That's us. We're going to wander around.
Yeah.
Look, here's another Colombo.
Wow.
Move this way. Spirits, if you're here, this thing I have in my hand, you can make it light up. Tell me that you're here. Walk this way.
Okay, I'm using the green filter on my Ghost Tube SLS. So this will pick up anything I can't see with my eyes. It's got like 4 cameras built into it. And I love using this. So it's not even picking up Rachel at the time. Let's pick up something right here. Spirit, are you in front of this tombstone? If you are, just make yourself known. I will be able to catch you on here. So Rachel's up there getting some footage. I have to go to the bathroom like really bad.
That is poop. Who did the poo-poo? Alright, spirits, I gotta go. Thank you for letting me visit you.
So we stopped in this bar area. It's called like Casino something.
Now, luckily, he has an older brother, older sister.
There's flies everywhere.
Jumping in and doing, and the Hawaiians have a large support. Large support system. And, but the bottom line is, he's so young with both his parents.
Yeah, I know, and they were young too, you know, it's not like his
Yeah.
parents were so old.
No.
Although I do think that Tony was almost 40 when she had him.
Yeah, but still.
But still, yeah.
Protect.
Country Protect.
I'm 59 and she was 59 when she died.
Yeah, and he was just in high school.
Yeah, he was like 18 and he was a senior, right?
Yeah.
This is the dining room.
Senior or junior? I don't know.
I think he was a senior, but I'm not positive.
Okay, because he went to school with my niece.
Did you go to the funeral, Tony's funeral?
No.
Rich, there's a piano in there.
Oh, you know, so
I wonder if I could take pictures of the piano. Let me ask him.
myself to get up and
Should I ask him?
And I kind of just had a few things to say about Tony. And they did ask people to say one word about Tony, but if they were to let everybody speak, he'd still be there. Yeah, he'd still be there. But what I was going to say is part of it is you not believe the number of people that were there at the Harvard meeting.
Oh, absolutely, because they were both big supporters of Harvard.
Is there any spirits here? That want to talk? Are you here with me? Can you touch the piano? Can you touch the piano? County of Sonoma, Spud Point Marina, dedicated to the people of Bodega Bay and the commercial fishing industry. That's cool. Hi, LV and Martin. Are you still here? I can feel the energy right here. I love these old pictures. Let me see them. Are you ready? Rich, come on, look over here. Feel the energy over here. As soon as you walk over here. Did you know there's cash only? Oh, there? You had cash?
Yeah, I always try to carry cash. What does this say?
That's what this place used to look like.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, okay, I see. Italian dinners. Casino, Pepsi Cola. Can someone here play the piano for me? Is there anybody in here? Play me a tune, don't be shy. We got our cheeseburgers.
Is there anybody here with us?
Somebody had a birthday.
LV or Martin? Are you here with us? We come as a visitor, as a friends. I can't talk, and as friends. I'm going to take some photos. If you want to come up with any of my photos, you can. Okay, so we use the K2 meter to see if we could get anything, and it was spiking over in this area. Now we do have this piano here, and they did give us permission to come over here and film it. He said no problem. So we're here right now, and
We got spikes over here.
all right, we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go. We're just visiting.
Thank you for hanging out with us.
Okay, bye. You have to stay here, okay? If you are LV, are you LV? If you're LV, Martin? Martin?
Are you Martin?
If you're Martin, make this K2 meter go to red. Keep doing it. Keep doing that.
He went to red.
Thank you. You're Martin.
Hi, Martin.
Hi, Martin. I'm Sarah. This is Rachel. Well, I hope you're doing okay. We just come to visit. So we just went to, of course, you know, the filming of the birds. And
Is Evie here? Or just Martin? Evie?
just Martin.
Just Martin. Hi, Marvin. Martin.
Martin. Well, we hope you're doing okay on the other side. And we know you're there, so you're not forgotten, okay? And if there's anything you want to say it into my phone. When I play this back, I will be able to hear you. Tell me your first name. Did you live here?
I feel really heavy right here.
I know, that's why I made you come over here, because I was like, oh, I kind of feel sick over here.
Well, Martin, we're gonna go now. Take it easy, okay?
And you stay here at the honky tonk.
You play that piano for me.
You cannot follow us here home, stay here. If you want us to maybe come back in our future and come talk to you, we can. Can you? Can. Can you make a noise? Do you know how to make a knocking noise? Like that? Do you know how to whistle? Like that?
Freeze, you know, 2 meals out of that one, eat one, and then a big risotto. So I have leftover.
So I know it's probably hard for you to do anything because you don't have a body, but you can say stuff in whispers. And when we play it back, we can be able to hear you. We just can't hear you with our ears. But our equipment picks up your voice, so we know you're there. So this is how that works. This is just a K2 meter. It just tells us that you're there, and it picks up your energy. That's all that is. All right, well, we're gonna go. Did you hear noise?
Mm-hmm.
Was that you? If that was you, go to red.
Yeah,
Do you know how to hit a key on the piano? Okay, try your hardest to hit a key on the piano.
Come on, play me a tune. Alright.
Bye, Martin. That was interesting, huh?
That was kind of random. Didn't think we would get that
I know.
in a million years.
I know. I want to ask her actually. Who's Martin?
Were you doing shutting down?
3:30. Yeah, we need to get on.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dressmaker? I was like, there's a spirit in the window. That's really a lady. I got something in there before you came in there. Alright, so this is going to be the end of our video. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate all the new subscribers that always subscribe to our channel. You are the best. Fascinator. Whoa, big dog. Hi, little doggy. No barking.